the hat, it's time to go.
Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and this is Madame Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Lover's Passion spell with our Lover's Passion spell kit. This spell kit comes with all of the stuff that you see here. It comes with the candle, the Lover's Passion candle. It also comes with these herbs, patchouli, damiana, juniper, and hibiscus flower. And it comes with soulmate oil. Now, you can get this spell kit in a lot of different candle colors, and you might want to use different candle colors for different situations. For example, if you're working on a reconciliation between you and a lover and you want to bring back passion, but you also want to get back together again, then you would use a blue candle. If you want blessings on your relationship, you would use a white candle. Maybe you want your relationship to be more generous in spirit or more generous monetarily, then you would use a green candle. If you want to have a little more control over your relationship, you could use a black candle. More happiness in the relationship, a yellow candle. Maybe the relationship is blocked in some way, the passion is blocked. You'd use an orange candle to get those breakthroughs. Purple if you wanted more power or you wanted yourselves as a couple to be more powerful. Pink if you wanted more heart-centered romance. And of course, red if you wanted more passion and more sizzle in your relationship. So that's why we're going to be using a red candle in our example today. Now, what you need to bring from your own sources for this spell are matches or a lighter, something to light the candle with, a pencil or pen to write on a petition paper. So you need petition paper and pencil or pen. And then you would need a piece of cotton cloth or a brown paper bag to put the spell remains in once you're finished. This spell comes with everything, including these instructions that tell you everything that you need to do and everything that I'm going to show you today, but you'll have it written out so that you don't have to follow along in this video. But here's what we're going to do. The first thing we're going to do is write out our petition. Now, the petition could be for anything that you want about bringing this relationship back together again, bringing more sizzle to the relationship, making friendship into a passionate love relationship, whatever it is that you're wanting. So for my example, I would write, may my lover and I find increasing passion and love. All right. So you just write out on your petition paper whatever it is that you are wanting in your own words, right? You write that out. Set that aside for right now. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to put some of the oil on that candle. Now, with all of the Lover's Passion spell kits, you are bringing in something, whether you're bringing in blessings, generosity, breakthroughs, anything like that. So you're going to take that oil and you're going to apply that oil in an upward motion from the base toward the wick because you're bringing it in, right? You're bringing something in, you put it from bottom toward the top. So we will apply that oil all over, trying to get into all those nooks and crannies. This is a beautiful candle with lots of detail in it, so we want to get that oil all over the candle. And that oil is going to help those herbs to stick to the candle when we sprinkle that first packet of herbs over the candle. So that's our next step. You're going to sprinkle that patchouli over your candle. And as you do, you can say that petition again. May my lover and I, you could say the name of your lover if you like. May my lover and I find increasing passion, more love, more romance, more time to be together, whatever it is that you're wanting. Once you've sprinkled the herbs on your candle, you're ready to place that candle on top of your tray and on top of your petition paper. So fold that petition paper toward you because you're bringing something in, and place it on the tray, and then place your candle on top of that petition paper. Next, you're going to sprinkle the damiana around your candle. As you do, you say your petition of what it is that you want. May my lover and I find increasing passion. Next, you're going to sprinkle those juniper berries. Juniper berries are for passion, attraction, good luck in a kind of physical love. So sprinkle those juniper berries around as, again, saying your petition, may my lover and I have increasing passion. Lastly, you're going to take the hibiscus flowers, those beautiful flower petals, again for real hot romantic love, and sprinkle those around as you say your petition. Now you're ready to light your spell. So get your lighter or your matches, and as you light your candle, speak your petition that my lover and I have increasing passion, love, romance. So be it. And there you have it, a lover's passion spell done with the Lover's Passion Spell Kit, available on my website. You can find me and you can find this spell kit online at parlorofwonders.com.